demoralising feeling when you're riding along in the wet and you just see everyone in umbrellas on the side just warm.
Like, I could barely ride anything at the top.
Yeah.
Good fun though.
Yeah. Oi!
The wind is so bad.
Oh, it's horrific.
Went off the front, second one, nose heavy.
Or is it? Well, we've both done.
Yeah.
You've done your skateboard like
3 times.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh. Oi! You good, mate?
Yeah.
Hold up! Whoa! Oi! You all good, mate?
Yeah. The wind is so bad.
Oh, it's horrific. You're the second person in about 10 minutes to do exactly that.
That's twice I've been blown by the wind.
Dad didn't warn us about that.
He didn't warn me.
He did, you just weren't listening.
Probably.
Oh, hey! Good save!
Ash, what are you doing?
I thought I was in trouble. Yeah, no shit. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
Woo! Way! Watch is off. You all good, mate? You. You. Oh! Oh! You good, mate? Oh! Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Trav! You! Jacket like blowing in the wind.
Yeah.
Need the skin suit today.
Yeah.
Come on, John! Pedal! Get on the pins! Well, that's more like it's like yesterday.
2 years.
I got over there this morning. That was good.
Oh yeah, mate.
Because it's going a bit slower. Oh, that was a big one. High, you're not as much time in the air. They are getting caught though.
Yeah.
They're shifting a long way right. You want...
bikes are getting cleaner.
Yeah, I think him down. Oh, yeah, that's one way to do it.
Yeah. And some tires.
That's definitely not the way I can do it.
Yeah.
It's better than when we came down.
Yeah.
Shut up! Oh, fuck!
Oh, I think that's like the worst you could do. Oh, he sent it. He's game. Oh, no, no, no.
You nearly got there. Yes, it is.
Oh, I haven't done that yet today.
I did it once in my first run, and it was horrific.
It's always horrific.
Whoa!
Woo, big
that
pull.
Walshy?
Yeah, that's Walshy.
Go, Mr. Walsh! Go, Webb! I'm right. Careful, Walshy, there's a slight chance of rain. Slight chance of rain coming over, be careful.
So letting go.
Go, Shane! Go! Pedal!
Send it! Come on, John! Oh no, rookie error.
Hey?
No, I don't have to.
Perfect thongs weather.
Absolutely.
Yeah, no, the audio goes in.
Full talking shit. Who else can I rag on? Whoa! Another chick. Starting to stop?
Starting to stop. It's the beginning of the end.
No, sun's going to come out when we go out on track and we dry it all up.
Yep.
And it's going to be just amazing. Very muddy.
Yep. Ooh.
Yeah, definitely wet pants there. Very, very muddy. Oh! Pretty much said we just need compressor from his car.
Oh yeah.
What the trail!
That does not make me want to ride.
It is so slick, like apparently I could barely ride anything at the top.
Yeah.
Good fun though.
Yeah.
Flying practice.
I better get out the way.
Yeah. This guy wants to send it. Yeah.
See, that's how you do it.
Yeah. Just gotta go. Woo.
I think it's just being comfortable being out of control.
Yeah, just letting it slide. But I remember,
Yeah, I've been trying to figure out what the best line through here is by watching people.
yeah.
Looks like I'm gonna have to go that way.
few.
Oh, that's never good. SES are broken at the toy.
Yeah.
High.
Woo!
Yeah.
It's got some advantages.
Yeah. I've just never seen anyone run those routes. It's like,
They're pretty new.
Yeah, they're quite new.
so that's why I'm a bit skeptical. Like, I don't. Everyone just loves reserves.
Oh, these are stronger. Yeah. I'm surprised people are taking that long.
Yeah, I know. It's so kooky.
Well, I don't think he was planning on it.
Yeah,
kinda
I think he
jumped
just
and
sort of
then
got
he
caught out
hooked.
as he came up to it.
Yeah, I might actually just hold off and not be on the first bus up for that country.
Yeah, I'm not. See, people are not
He
even
washed
getting
it.
up there. Like,
Well, that's
have
what
you
it's.
seen in front of that?
Yeah, it's like it's just a bulb.
Wow.
Well, that,
Like even, I looked at buying one when.
oh, he's down.
You
Oh, it's rise.
No brakes!
Where are you going to in Canada?
Vancouver Island. My partner is from there.
Oi!
Vancouver next.
You!
Truck doesn't go that way!
You can't park there, mate!
There's always one.
Come back down.
Yeah, hit me up and we'll
There's no brakes.
Yes, Tristan!
There's a chance
Oh,
for
God,
race
let's
to
go.
go like this.
Yeah, he's
I know, we might
Zach
as
said
well ride it
conditions
slow more.
4 times.
Yeah, we'll just ride the highway. Die today. I know.
You're not getting any practice out of it.
Yeah, I know. It's the most demoralising feeling when you're riding along in the wet and you just see everyone in umbrellas on the side just warm. That is so bad. Oh well, when you
Oh, he's held on to it!
think about it, I had those.
Woo!
I had those. Go! Try it!
Pedal! Just tripod your whole way down the hill. That's what I think I'm going to end up doing. Hey!
Mr. Drifter! Oh, yeah, look at his bike squirm before that. He's just riding like a fly.
He gives no fuck.
Yay!
Is that Justin?
Yeah, I thought yeah, that's Justin.
Oh, now I'm seeing these guys ride. But
Way!
Gearbox light.
that was good.
Yeah!
Really good. It's just being fluent.
Fuck yeah, baby!
Oh my god.
I haven't seen John at all.
I have.
That's his car there, right?
Yeah, I've seen him. Woo! Him and Cam came down just after we walked out.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, buddy.
I was like, fucking not again.
Whoa!
Right there. Here we go. Wait for it to swing. Oh no.
No. Oh. Woo!
Very controlled.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like he waited into the ground to try and shoot for him.
Okay.
Oh.
The old smack.
That's a chick. She's dirty.
Go get off the brakes! Come on, go! Woo!
Oh, the squirm!
Woo! Oh, that guy's cooking.
Fucking hell.
No?
Oh, Shane! Go, Shane!
There's Cam. few people are, but there's like...
It's impossible to get
There's been some lunatics,
Yeah.
for sure. There was like one kid just like fucking fully the
Yes! Pedal! Go!
I can't pedal for this.
Oh no, it's gone down the creek. That's what teammates are for.
That's what downhill's about.
Just throwing coffee cups at each other. Why'd you get off?
Because I literally am bloody locked.
Is it muddy?
Oh, you reckon?
Muddy.
A little bit.
I'm dry, but it looks muddy.
That was...
so good.
I reckon it's probably cutting in a bit.
Yeah.
It's looking a bit better.
Yeah.
Oh, shit,
Just like this far from her ass.
I was there to support.
You!
Fucking hell. No way.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. That was so controlled.
There's no even mud.
Just cute.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Me.
I do remember that like.
Yeah.
Woo!
Beautiful. Oh, fuck off.
Is that a hackle?
Yeah. Mr. Steez.
Yeah.
Cool,
He
calm,
looks like he's having a good time.
with like a little
Yeah.
nose bonk right here in the mud. Cool, calm, collected.
Just who can get down.
Yeah.
Ooh, E.T.
Woo!
Oh my god. Really not stoked right now.
Whoa! The mud just flew away!
Wait.
Wow.
I'm gonna go put some flat pedals on my bike.
Good
Yeah,
idea.
I'm gonna change the flats, eh?
Not. You. Yeah. You. Oi! That's not the line. Is it getting better or?
Nah,
Nah?
worse if anything.
Worse if anything?
Say, like, the rain's kind of stopped for a little bit.
Like-
now it's just like.
It was kind of just the top layer was wet and there was
Yep.
grippy parts, but now it's just all slop.
Just all slop? Yeah, right. A lot of people doing that at the moment.
Yeah.
Just sort of static dropping off the top.
Yeah. I've never tried that too.
No,